In this video, I will tell you how you can analyze your website for search engine optimization. If your website is not ranking on the first page of Google, or if you are not getting traffic from Google to your website, then after watching this video and after fixing the technical issues on your website, you can rank your website #1 on Google search result and you can get a lot of free traffic from Google. But please do me a favor, watch this video till the end because we have very important information about analyzing your website for search engine optimization. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you that there are three types of search engine optimization. The first one is on-page optimization, and the second one is off-page optimization, and the third one is technical SEO. So in this video, we'll look into the second one and the third one, on-page optimization and the technical SEO part of search engine optimization. So if you fix these issues on your website will rank #1 on Google search result. So let's go to my computer screen and there we will see all the aspects of technical SEO and on-page optimization and how you can analyze your website for search engine optimization. So first of all, if I open my browser and let me announce that W3 Academy has now built a tool to analyze your search engine optimization. So we have a brand new tool, online SEO Checker.net. So you have to open this tool, online SEO Checker.net. Online SEO Checker is a free SEO tool which provides you content analysis of the website. So what you have to do is you have to open this website, online SEO Checker.net, and it will tell you all the issues on your website on your web page. So what I will do is I will open this website and I will start to analyze this website. Okay, as you can see there, the score is 54 of 100. So what I will do is now if I go down and it will tell you that all the issues you have on your website. So what it will tell me, SEO content, my title is perfect and description. Like you can see that I don't have a meta description on my website. It's very bad. I have to have a meta description on my page, on my website. As you can see that I don't have a meta keywords as well on my web page. This is very bad. So I have to add meta description and meta keywords on my web page so my website ranking will improve. So as you can see that here is a free meta tags generator. I can use this to meta tag keyword generator to generate keywords for my website. And OG properties, good, okay, I take advantage of this. And my headings, like you can see that I don't have H1 tag on my website. It's very bad. I have to have an H1 tag on my website. And H2 headings, okay. And now images, we found 40 images on this web page. 6 alt attributes are empty or missing. So I have to add alternative images on all my images on my web page. Okay, text to HTML ratio is 7%. It's not good. I have to have a text to HTML ratio above 15% for good SEO, optimized SEO. And flash, iframe, and many other things are there like SEO links, URL rewrite, and my links looks friendly, like as you can see that underscores in the URLs and in-page links. So we found a total of 44 links including 0 link to files. Okay, so I have links. Okay, these are my keywords. What I will do is I will optimize my keyword according to this. So let's say I want to target organic keyword for my web page. So what I will do is, like you can see that the keyword appears 38 times in the content and appears in the title and the headings, but not in description and keywords. So what I have to do is I will have to add this keyword in description and the keywords as well to improve my SEO, to improve my SEO ranking. And same goes for Salajid. If I want to target keyword Salajid, which I intend to target, but it doesn't appear in the title, it doesn't appear in the keyword, and it doesn't appear in the description. So it doesn't make sense that you are going to target a keyword, but that doesn't appear in a lot of sections and a lot of important sections like title, keywords, description. So you have to add these keywords in description and keywords and title. Okay, so if I go down and if I check the usability, URL length is perfect, favicon, printability. Okay, I have to fix this issue, and I have to fix this issue here. And if I go down, HTML5 encoding, okay, W3C validity, like you can see that I am getting 56 errors on my website related to W3C. So I have to fix these issues on my website to improve my ranking. Okay, so you can see that I have to fix this issue, these issues, and these issues. More issues are here, so I have to fix these issues to improve my ranking. And the best thing is you can analyze your page speed from this website, page speed insight. Like you can see that my performance is 87 and my page speed is good somehow. And if I go down here, it will tell me more opportunities to improve my page speed insights. Okay, so serve images in next gen format, so it can save 1 second of my page speed. So I can improve my page speed as well. It's a very important metric for SEO. To check the SEO, you have to have a very good speed of your website, less than 1 second, very good speed. So you have to optimize your website speed for search engine optimization. Okay, you can check that as well from this website, the speed of your website, the speed of your web page. And after fixing these issues, you can absolutely rank your website #1 on Google search result, and you can get a lot of free traffic from Google. So go to this website, a link in description. You can check your website for SEO, and you can fix your technical SEO issues on your website. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.